Okay guys, I need to go over what I need to get done today. So the first thing I need to do is take in the sleeves a few inches on the sleeves of my fur coat dress, and then I need to add extra fabric to the bottom of the dress to make it hit the length that I want it to hit, and then I need to just attach the sleeves onto the dress. So hopefully I can get that done today. And let me just quickly show you guys a sketch of the dress I'm making. Like, that is just so gorgeous and chic. Okay, so I need to add the sleeve here. I need to sew it on, but first I need to take in a few inches on the sleeve. And then I need to add it on this side too. So it's gonna look like that. It's gonna be so cute. And then I wanna make the hem, the bottom of the coat longer, because it's supposed to be like acceptable as a dress. I'm just measuring down to see how many more inches I want to add to the bottom, and I'm cut between 4 or 5. I think I'm gonna do 5. Okay, now that I'm done pinning, I'm gonna sew my bottom piece on with my sewing machine. So I'm gonna do that right now. Okay you guys, so yesterday I went to Hobby Lobby to get some chain, and now I'm gonna make the chain for my dress. So I bought some velvet trim and the chain, and now I have to loop it through and sew it to get the look I'm looking for. So that's what I'm gonna do now. But she saw it. Okay, you guys, I want to show you how I make my iced matcha latte from scratch. So I'm gonna show you. Okay, so to make my matcha, the first thing I do is open up my matcha latte instant pack and I pour it in the cup first. I'm gonna pour half. No, I don't. Pour the whole thing. Okay, I'm gonna pour in some hot water. Not a lot, because it has to make a paste. And then you want to get a little spoon and mix it up. Okay. And then I'm gonna refrigerate the paste I just made in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna bring it back out and add the milk, coconut milk to it. Okay, and after you get it out the refrigerator, you just want to mix it up again and add in the rest of your hot water to it, even though this is going to be iced. About right there. Mix that up. Okay. That should be good. Organic agave. You don't really need to put that much. Like, that much is good. I don't put a lot because I like to taste the matcha. I'm sorry, this is not coconut milk. This is coconut water. I can add in about that much. Okay. And now you just want to mix that up again. And now you want to add your ice. I think that's enough ice. You can mix it up again if you want.
This is my meal. I call this girl dinner. Girl dinner. Girl dinner. Girl
Oh my
dinner.
God.
Girl dinner.
This tastes so good. Okay, so today we finished extending the bottom of the dress. And next time I'm going to be sewing the sleeves onto the sides of the dress and finishing the chain belt for the dress. And then I'll do a final reveal in part 2 of this video. So make sure you like, subscribe. So make sure you like, subscribe, share this video, leave a comment, and turn on your notification bells so you won't miss the next upload. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and see you all next time.
This is crazy. You don't understand. Dang, I love that. And it's gonna be just like that.